Here's the Remus S-Flow exhaust there with the orange bracket, and this one's just the slip-on. So I still have the cat on there, and here's the stock one. It didn't bring very good instructions, so here's the trouble that I ran into whenever I was installing it. For one, these bolts right here are way too short. I'll show you the ones that it brought. It brought these two tiny ones. So with these, look at the size comparison. It's tiny, super small. Oops. Yeah, so that's the full bolt right there. So the issue you run into whenever you have the bolt this size is that this right here, this clamp won't want to go, the bracket won't want to go around this. It's a little bit too small. You can see right here, it brings right there, it brings the bracket, the spacer. Here's another bracket that hooks up to here, the top, another spacer, and then the rest of the bolt. Those bolts are too small, so this won't close. And also this bolt right here, I used this stock little spacer here that it brings, that the stock exhaust uses. The only thing is, this one right here screws into the back of this bracket. Whenever you use the orange one, you can't use this. Plus this is riveted on there pretty good. That's not coming off, so you can't use it for an aftermarket one, and it looks ugly as hell. So I had to go to Lowe's, and right there I had to buy these two bolts. I used the nut that it brought, and then as far as this right here, I had to buy the bolt and the nut, and I used, like I said, the stock spacer, and I was able to bolt it on here just fine. So that's probably the only issue that I ran into. Other than that, it's the slip-on, but it's definitely a lot louder, even with the cat on. So I'm probably not gonna end up switching out the mid pipe because, yeah, I really don't feel like it. I'm happy with it. So there it is.